The Philippine legal system is undergoing a significant transformation. This transformation is not just a superficial change, but a deep-rooted overhaul aimed at addressing long-standing issues within the system. These changes aim to make the justice system more efficient, reducing the backlog of cases that have plagued the courts for years. By implementing new procedures and technologies, the goal is to expedite the legal process without compromising the quality of justice. Transparent and accessible to all. Transparency is being enhanced through digitalization and public access to court records, ensuring that justice is not only done but seen to be done. One of the most notable developments is the issuance of Department of Justice Circular No. 15, also known as the 2024 DOJ NPS Rules. This circular is a comprehensive document that outlines new protocols and guidelines for handling criminal cases. This circular introduces significant changes to criminal proceedings, particularly in preliminary investigations and inquest proceedings. These changes are designed to ensure that cases are handled more swiftly and fairly, reducing the time defendants spend in legal limbo. These changes have sparked considerable interest and debate among legal professionals and the public alike. Legal experts are weighing in on the potential benefits and drawbacks, while the public is eager to see how these changes will affect their access to justice. This essay will delve into the key provisions of the 2024 DOJ NPS rules, providing a detailed analysis of each new rule and its intended impact. Analyze their potential impact on criminal proceedings, examining how these changes could streamline processes, reduce delays, and improve the overall efficiency of the justice system, and provide insights from legal experts. These insights will help us understand the broader implications of the new rules and how they align with international standards of justice. The pursuit of justice is a fundamental pillar of any democratic society. It is the foundation upon which trust in the legal system is built, and it ensures that all citizens are treated equally under the law. In the Philippines, the Department of Justice plays a crucial role in upholding the rule of law and ensuring that justice is served. The department's efforts are vital in maintaining public confidence in the legal system. The 2024 DOJ NPS rules represent a significant step towards strengthening the Philippine justice system. These rules are not just about procedural changes, they are about creating a more just society. By streamlining procedures, enhancing transparency, and promoting accountability, these rules aim to create a more just and equitable society for all Filipinos. They are designed to ensure that justice is accessible to everyone, regardless of their social or economic status. Understanding the implications of these new rules is crucial for both legal professionals and the public. It is essential for everyone to be informed about these changes to fully appreciate their impact and to ensure that the justice system works for the benefit of all. Department Circular No. 15, Series of 2024, more commonly known as the 2024 DOJ NPS Rules, was signed into effect by Justice Secretary Lucas Bersamin on January 15, 2024. This circular introduces a comprehensive set of amendments to the previous rules governing preliminary investigations and inquest proceedings. These amendments were deemed necessary to address long-standing issues within the Philippine criminal justice system, such as delays in case resolution, backlogs in court dockets, and concerns about transparency and accountability. The 2024 DOJ NPS rules are the product of extensive consultations with various stakeholders, including prosecutors, defense lawyers, judges, and representatives from civil society organizations. The DOJ recognized the need for a more efficient and effective criminal justice system, one that balances the rights of the accused with the need for swift and fair justice. These new rules are expected to significantly impact how criminal cases are investigated, prosecuted, and adjudicated in the Philippines. The 2024 DOJ NPS rules introduce a number of key changes to the conduct of preliminary investigations and inquest proceedings. These changes are designed to enhance the efficiency, transparency, and fairness of the legal process, ensuring that justice is served in a timely and equitable manner. One of the most significant changes is the introduction of a reasonable certainty of conviction standard for the filing of criminal charges. This new standard aims to ensure that only cases with a strong likelihood of resulting in a conviction are brought to trial, thereby reducing the burden on the courts and preventing the unnecessary prosecution of weak cases. Under this new standard, prosecutors are required to assess the evidence presented to them and determine whether it is sufficient to support a reasonable certainty of conviction at trial. This involves a thorough review of all available evidence, including witness statements, forensic reports, and any other relevant materials. This means that prosecutors are now tasked with a more stringent evaluation of cases before filing charges in court. They must carefully weigh the strength of the evidence and consider the likelihood of securing a conviction, which requires a higher level of diligence and scrutiny than before. Another key change is the expansion of the use of electronic filing and virtual hearings. This modernization effort is aimed at leveraging technology to streamline legal processes and make the justice system more accessible to all parties involved. The rules encourage the use of electronic platforms for the filing of pleadings, motions, and other court documents. This shift to digital filing is expected to reduce paperwork, minimize delays, and improve the overall efficiency of the court system. This is intended to expedite the processing of cases and reduce the need for physical appearances in court. By allowing parties to submit documents electronically, the courts can process filings more quickly and reduce the backlog of cases waiting to be heard. Similarly, the rules allow for the conduct of virtual hearings for certain types of proceedings, such as arraignments, pre-trial conferences, and even trials, when deemed necessary and appropriate. This flexibility is particularly beneficial in situations where physical attendance is challenging or impractical. This is particularly relevant in light of recent technological advancements and the need for greater accessibility and efficiency in the justice system. By embracing virtual hearings, the courts can ensure that justice is not delayed due to logistical challenges, and that all parties have the opportunity to participate fully in the legal process, regardless of their physical location. Section 4. A closer look at preliminary investigations. Preliminary investigations are a critical stage in the Philippine criminal justice system. This is where investigating officers determine if there is sufficient ground to file a case in court. The 2024 DOJ NPS rules introduced significant changes to this process, aiming to make it more efficient and fair. One key change is the introduction of a more stringent standard for filing charges, requiring a reasonable certainty of conviction. Under the new rules, prosecutors are given greater responsibility in evaluating the evidence presented during preliminary investigations. They are required to carefully assess the credibility of witnesses, the probative value of evidence, and the overall strength of the case before deciding whether or not to file charges. This new standard is intended to prevent the filing of weak or unfounded cases, which can clog up the court system and waste valuable time and resources. Section 5. Navigating the new inquest proceedings. In this section, we will delve into the intricacies of the updated inquest procedures and how they impact the judicial process. Inquest proceedings are conducted when a person is arrested without a warrant. This is a critical juncture in the legal process, as it determines the immediate future of the arrested individual. The purpose of an inquest is to determine if there is probable cause to detain the arrested person and file charges against them. This involves a thorough review of the evidence and circumstances surrounding the arrest. The 2024 DOJ NPS rules also introduced significant changes to inquest proceedings, particularly in cases involving violations of special laws. These changes are designed to enhance the efficiency and fairness of the process. The rules now require that inquest prosecutors undergo specialized training to handle these types of cases. This training ensures that prosecutors are well equipped to manage the complexities of inquest proceedings, especially those involving special laws. The new rules also streamline the inquest process by introducing specific timelines for each stage of the proceedings. These timelines are crucial for maintaining the momentum of the case and preventing unnecessary delays. This is intended to prevent unnecessary delays and ensure that the rights of the arrested person are protected. The timely progression of the case is essential for upholding justice and maintaining public trust in the legal system. The 2024 DOJ NPS rules emphasize the importance of conducting inquest proceedings fairly and expeditiously. Fairness and speed are not mutually exclusive. Rather, they are complementary goals that the new rules strive to achieve. They provide clear guidelines for law enforcement officers, prosecutors, and judges to follow, ensuring that the rights of the accused are safeguarded while upholding the principles of justice. These guidelines serve as a roadmap for all parties involved, promoting consistency and transparency in the inquest process. By adhering to these guidelines, the legal system can better serve the needs of justice, ensuring that every inquest is conducted with the highest standards of integrity and efficiency. The new rules represent a significant step forward in the ongoing effort to improve the judicial process and protect individual rights.